Good morning and welcome back. So, let's see. What did I do yesterday? I worked a bit on the procedural generation here, tried to fix a few things, noticed that the system that I created doesn't want to be fixed, not the way I wanted it to, because I'm using too many um, components, and that kind of kills it. And I started working on these roof pieces. And what I managed to do yesterday was the UVs, but I haven't done any textures yet. Even though I'm really, really bad at texturing. So I might get away with a bit of just flat paints, but so far I haven't even managed to get that into a texture that we can use here. So this will be a bit of a pain, but plan for today is to either try to texture these or start on creating more individual meshes here. Make this a bit not simpler to use, but using my own models for this system, basically. The thing is, I might need to change my idea, what I wanted to do with the overall system, because it's way too much in here. So we have a lot of components, way too many. We have a lot of different functions that basically do the same. And we have a few variables here. They are not that much of a problem. This here is more of a problem, that we have all these different components that are mostly unused. Sorry about that. And as a result, this takes ages to start the game, to test it out. So let's jump over to Blender and let's see if we can get some kind of texture on this. I mean, it says there is a texture on it, but problem is I can't get that texture out of Blender to save it. At least I think I can't. Yeah, because there's just black. Here it's also just black. So none of these are the textures that I have on here at the moment. And I don't know how to get the texture out of Blender. I can pack this. Okay, let's see. Okay, put the texture here. So, okay, we get the texture. Let's see what happens if we re-import that. I need to save it first. It's the rooftop. I think there was something else we needed to set here, but at the moment this works. So let's export that. Let's close this and re-import this. Let's see. I think I clicked to not import materials. That's why we don't get anything in that regard. But we should be able to just set the texture ourselves. If we create a material here, what is this? Oh, let's create a material, but not in there, but in here. Let's create a folder. Import the texture. At the moment it's just simple base color. I haven't done anything more with it yet. And let's go in here and select this. Let's see. Yay, we have our texture on there. Even though this texture was kind of created by mistake. But it looks interesting. So let's change the values here a bit. But now we should be able to just use that texture and paint on that. So let's go into texture paint mode. Okay, let's do solid. Okay. Damn it. Okay. I think I need to do something else here. But what we will do is not do texture painting. Let's go here and see what else we can create. Let's see. Let's yeah, let's try to build wall piece. Here you have the wall pieces that are we are using at the moment. They look like this.